Ever wondered why parrots are among the most popular pets worldwide? These feathered friends, with their vibrant colors and distinctive ability to mimic human speech, are more than just pretty faces. They're a fascinating bunch, boasting a variety that's as colorful as their plumage. Parrots, belonging to the order Psittaciformes, are a diverse group of birds with over 390 species spread across the globe. They're found in tropical and subtropical regions, from the rainforests of South America to the islands of Australasia. Size-wise, they range from the petite pygmy parrots of Papua New Guinea, barely 10 centimeters long, to the imposing hyacinth macaws of Brazil, stretching up to a meter with their wings fully extended. What makes parrots stand out, apart from their vivid colors, is their distinctive beaks. They sport a stout, curved beak that's perfect for cracking open seeds and nuts, their primary food sources. But it's not all about function. Their beaks add to their charm, giving them a playful, mischievous look that's hard to resist. Then, there's their famous ability to mimic human speech, a talent that's both amusing and intriguing. This skill is not just limited to words, but extends to sounds, songs, and even laughter. But why do parrots talk? Scientists believe it's a form of social interaction. In the wild, parrots are highly social creatures living in flocks and communicating through a variety of sounds. By mimicking human speech, pet parrots are simply trying to interact with their human flock. So there you have it. Parrots are not just beautiful, they're also intelligent, diverse, and sociable creatures with a knack for communication. With their vibrant personalities and their uncanny ability to mimic human speech, it's no wonder they're loved by many. Now that we've piqued your interest, let's dive into the world of parrots. Did you know that parrots lead a very active and social lifestyle in the wild? Yes, indeed. Parrots are known for their vivacious nature and sociable habits. They thrive in the company of their feathered friends, often forming large flocks that can sometimes include hundreds of birds. This flock mentality isn't just about fun and games, it's a survival strategy. In the wild, there's safety in numbers. Together they can keep an eye out for predators, and when it's time to find food, they all pitch in. Speaking of food, foraging is a significant part of a parrot's lifestyle. These birds are like the treasure hunters of the avian world. They spend a large chunk of their day searching for food, be it fruits, seeds, nuts, or even small insects. Parrots have a knack for finding the tastiest treats in their habitat. But it's not all work for these colorful creatures. They also know how to have a good time. Playtime is an essential part of a parrot's day. Whether it's playing chase with their flockmates or amusing themselves with sticks, leaves, or pebbles, parrots are quite the entertainers. Play helps parrots to develop their dexterity and problem-solving skills. It's their version of a workout session. And after a day full of foraging and play, parrots take the time to preen their feathers. Preening is not just about looking good, it's a practical habit that keeps their feathers in top shape. Parrots use their beaks to arrange their feathers and remove any dirt or parasites. It's their way of staying clean and healthy. To sum it up, the parrot lifestyle is a balanced mix of work and play. It's about being part of a community, exploring their surroundings, keeping fit, and taking care of their appearance. In the wild, every day is an adventure for these vibrant birds. These social feathered friends sure know how to live an active life, don't they? What's on the menu for our feathered friends, you ask? Well, let's dive into the delectable world of a parrot's diet. Parrots have a palate that's as vibrant as their plumage, with an affinity for fruits, seeds, and nuts. There's a certain joy in watching a parrot nibble on a juicy apple or crack open a nut with its powerful beak. But it's not just about the fun, these foods are crucial for their health and longevity. Fruits, rich in vitamins and minerals, are a staple in a parrot's diet. Whether it's a sweet slice of mango, a tart bite of kiwi, or a refreshing piece of watermelon, these tropical birds relish a wide variety of fruits. However, not all fruits are parrot-friendly. Avocado, for instance, is a definite no-no, as it's toxic to these birds. Seeds and nuts, on the other hand, are a parrot's version of comfort food. Sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and walnuts are among their favorites. These foods provide the necessary proteins and fats for our feathered friends. But, like anything else, they should be offered in moderation, as an excess can lead to obesity and other health issues. Now you might be thinking, fruits, seeds, and nuts, that's it? But a parrot's diet is far from monotonous. Vegetables, particularly leafy greens like spinach and kale, make for excellent sources of nutrients. Legumes, grains, and even cooked eggs can be included for a well-rounded diet. Supplementing a parrot's diet with vitamin and mineral supplements is also important to ensure they're getting all the nutrients they need. However, always consult a vet before introducing any supplements. And let's not forget water. Hydration is key for parrots, as it is for all living beings. Fresh, clean water should be readily available for these birds at all times, so there you have it. A parrot's diet is a colorful array of fruits, seeds, nuts, vegetables, and more. It's all about balance and moderation, just like with us humans. Parrots sure do eat healthier than some of us, don't they? Ever wondered why and how parrots mimic human speech? Well, you're about to find out. Parrots are one of the few animals that can mimic human speech, a talent that has earned them a special place in our homes and hearts. But why do parrots mimic us? The answer lies deep within their social nature. Parrots are highly sociable creatures living in tight-knit flocks in the wild. Mimicry is a way for them to bond with their flock, and when they're domesticated, we humans become their flock. By mimicking our speech, they're trying to communicate and bond with us. But how do they do it? Unlike us, parrots don't have vocal cords. They produce sound by pushing air out of their trachea and manipulating the shape and tension of a specialized structure called the syrinx. This unique avian vocal organ allows them to mimic a wide range of sounds, including human speech. Now, you may be wondering, can they understand what they're saying? Well, the jury is still out on that one. Some experts believe that parrots can associate sounds with meanings, much like how a dog understands the command sit. Others, however, argue that parrots are simply excellent mimics, without a true understanding of the words they parrot. Regardless, it's clear that parrots can learn and remember words and phrases. They do this through repetition and positive reinforcement. If you've ever tried teaching a parrot to talk, you'll know it's all about consistency. Repeat a word or phrase regularly, reward them when they get it right, and soon enough, you'll have a chatty feathered friend. Another interesting fact is that parrots tend to pick up words and sounds that are most frequently used, or those that elicit the strongest reactions. So, if you gasp every time your parrot says hello, it's likely to keep saying it just to get that reaction. From their social nature to their unique vocal abilities, parrots are truly fascinating creatures. And their ability to mimic our speech? That's just the cherry on top. It's indeed fascinating how these birds can talk like us. So, what makes parrots such fascinating creatures? Well, it's a combination of their vibrant lives, unique diets, and striking ability to mimic human speech. Let's take a brief journey back through what we've learned. Parrots lead quite the intriguing lifestyle. They are social birds, often seen in pairs or in large flocks. Their strong, curved beaks and zygodactyl feet, that's 2 toes in front and 2 in the back, enable them to navigate their environment with ease. Whether they're in the wild or in a home, these birds are always on the go, climbing, flying, and exploring with a curiosity that is truly captivating. And let's not forget their diet. It's not all crackers for these feathered friends. Parrots have a diverse palate, feasting on fruits, seeds, nuts, and even insects. Some species, like the rainbow lorikeet, have a specialized brush-tipped tongue for sipping nectar from flowers. This varied diet plays a significant role in their health, longevity, and even the radiant color of their feathers. But perhaps the most fascinating aspect of parrots is their ability to mimic human speech. Parrots are among the few animal species capable of vocal learning, a skill they use in the wild to communicate and blend into their flock. In our homes, they often surprise us by repeating words, phrases, and even entire songs they hear. African greys and budgerigars are particularly known for their linguistic prowess, but remember, each parrot is unique and their ability to talk can vary greatly. So there you have it. Parrots are more than just a pretty face. They are complex creatures with dynamic lives, diverse diets, and an incredible knack for mimicry. Next time you see a parrot, remember there's more to them than their vibrant feathers and amusing mimicry. Stay curious and keep exploring the fascinating world of birds.